We wanted to make a unique RC car body, and using a Porsche as a base, we couldn't figure out what color we wanted to make it. We wanted to make it Transformers themed, but couldn't decide on what color scheme. After a quick poll on our Instagram, people decided we should paint it silver and blue, and thus we decided to make Mirage from Transformers Rise of the Beasts. Now, I knew this design was going to be a bit challenging as it's fairly unique. The hood and side stripes on the car were a little tricky to design, but using the Cricut design program, I was able to almost accurately recreate each and every stripe, as well as the Porsche lettering on the side of the car. Next came the tricky part, cutting out each design on the Cricut machine and measuring it up to the body just to make sure that it fit. Now, this took a little bit of time, as we had to try and measure each and every part of the body and get it almost as close as we could in the design program.
Hopefully, let's see. I guess my inches and millimeters are off? Maybe?
Granted, there was a little bit of difference between the design program and the measurement tool that we were using, but after a bit of trial and error, we were able to finally measure out each and every piece and get them applied to the body.
Hey. Yeah, that looks good.
Getting the designs applied to the body was a little tricky. The hood was relatively simple, as it was a simple rectangular shape and the stripes were divided up by little increments. Now the side stripes were a little more difficult, as well as the Porsche lettering, as each letter was cut out individually. So we had to quickly eyeball it, make sure it lined up with the stripes, and then carefully apply it to be sure that it was accurate on both sides of the car. Finally, what might have been the easiest part of this project was actually painting the body. Now, we were a little worried at first that the paint might bleed into the masking tape on some parts of the car, such as the sides and the hood. But after peeling away after the silver coat and seeing how clear the rest of the body was and where our designs were, we knew that this was going to work out for the better. And once it was all painted up, the body looked amazing.